How to delete a Facebook page. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Facebook application from your device and then get logged into your Facebook page. Make sure that you are logged into your Facebook page and not your Facebook account. Once you do so, tap on the three-bar icon on your top right-hand side. Then you will land onto a menu page. Here you will see gear icon. Tap onto it. Now at this section, scroll below. Under your information, you will see the option of access and control. Just open that option. Then you will see deactivation and deletion. Tap it. Now here you can do two things. You can either deactivate your Facebook page, which is going to be temporary, or you can tap this delete page, and this is going to be a permanent solution. So let's go ahead and tap on delete page and tap continue. And once you do so, you can give any reason that you would like. Then tap on continue. If you would like to download your Facebook page's information, you can do so by tapping on this download info. If not, simply tap on continue. And lastly, you have to type in the Facebook page or the Facebook ID password. Once done, tap on continue, and that way you can successfully delete your Facebook page. And also be noted, once you delete your Facebook page, there is no going back. Make sure that you understand this, and then you're good to go. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.